Want to learn how to make a restaurant-style fettuccine Alfredo pasta? Then you're at the right place. This home-cooked creamy pasta will be the only recipe you need. So let's get to cooking. So for the process, I'm taking a pot of water and a pack of tagliatelle. Waiting for the water to heat up and then adding the whole pack along with some salt. We'll cook it until it's al dente, which means to the tooth. It's used to describe food that's cooked until it's firm but not mushy. Next, we are chopping 2 to 3 cloves of garlic for the Alfredo sauce. Okay, so now we'll take a large saucepan over medium heat and melt a stick of unsalted butter in it and adding the minced garlic to it. We'll saute it for a minute or till it's fragrant. And as a reminder that the garlic is an optional ingredient, you know, just for extra flavour. Next, we'll take a cup of heavy cream and pour it to the saucepan. And I will keep on stirring it. In between the stirring, we'll add half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper powder and stir it continuously. Keep in mind we don't want to boil the sauce here. That looks quite ready. Now we'll add the boiled tagliatelle, which we drained earlier, and mix it with the Alfredo sauce. And we'll dust some oregano on it to make it more flavourful. And with that, we'll cook for another minute to allow the pasta to absorb the flavour. Okay, so for the next step, we'll add a cup of freshly grated mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And we'll gradually whisk the cheese until it's smooth. The pasta looks so creamy and just like restaurant made. We'll transfer our Alfredo pasta to a serving plate. Bonus tip, add grilled chicken, shrimp or sautéed mushrooms for a protein boost. That will make the pasta even more delicious. And avoid reheating Alfredo sauce too vigorously. It may separate. That's the end of our recipe, guys. And if this video helped you, consider subscribing and we'll back with another recipe.